How to add PayPal to AliExpress. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can add your PayPal as payment method to AliExpress. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First, open up your AliExpress and make sure you're logged in into your account. After you do that, you can then head over to the bottom right corner on your account option. After you do that, here you'll find the payment option in this section right here. Tap on payment. This should open up your payments right here where you can add your cards. So if you tap on add cards, you should be able to add different cards. And if you see the bonus option, here you can basically see how many bonuses you have. So the thing is, if you head over to your card and then tap on checkout, here you can already see PayPal. If you tap on PayPal and go through with the PayPal option, you'll be redirected to your PayPal's app and you can directly pay from that. There is no direct way you can add a PayPal account on your AliExpress directly. So yeah, PayPal is supported by AliExpress, but you'll have to just go through with it through the payment method, that is the checkout process, and you're good to go. And that's how you can add PayPal to AliExpress. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.